Today we are starting with the short answer type questions of the ball poem. Question number 1. What has the boy lost in the water and what was his reaction? The answer. The boy had lost his favorite ball in the water, which was very close to him, filled up with his memories. He was depressed and was standing still in the same place. Question number 2. What does it mean by in a world of possessions? The answer. It means that in this world all human beings own something, but this owning of the materialistic things are not permanent, which is highlighting the fact that we are living in a world full of illusions. Question number 3. What lessons does the boy learn? The boy learns that in this world it is very common to lose something that is very close to our heart, but we should try to accept it. Next question. Why money is called external in the poem? The answer. Money is called external because it can't buy the memories of the lost things, but can replace the things that are lost. Next question. Why is the boy so sad? The answer. The boy is sad because he had not only lost a ball, but something which is very close to his heart and which carries the memories of his young days. Next question. What shows that the ball was valuable for the boy? Answer. It is identifiable from the way the boy reacts after losing it. He was shocked, trembled with grief, and was staring at the place where the ball had fallen. Next question. What responsibility the boy learns? Answer. The boy learns how to console himself in his own way and be able to stand up and bear the pain of loss through self-understanding. So here it comes to an end. Thank you.